How to view referral code in GCash. So if you want to view the referral code in GCash, then what you need to do is first open up your GCash application. Once you open up your GCash, now first make sure that you've updated your GCash application. Once you've updated, open up your application. From there, you want to simply go with your account, make sure to log into your account, and head over to the profile section, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're under the profile, now basically you need to go ahead and see the referral section right here. But if you cannot go ahead and see it, then inside the section, it means that GCash is not offering the referral code as at the moment. So sometimes it will go ahead and show up inside this profile page when they are offering that services. But unfortunately, as of right now, it is not available for everyone. So you can just go ahead and open up the application and browse through the profile section, and under the profile section you will have the referral option. You can simply go with the referral option and you will be able to view the referral code. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.